Hey guys, today we'll be talking about this Honda Odyssey. This one's, I believe, 2008, but they're similar certain years. And you want to know how to reset the maintenance required light or the key, the light I'm talking about. When you put the key, just don't start all the way out right in there. That mine's not on, but if yours is on, like I said, this one right here, what you want to do is reset the oil. Once you change the oil, it makes the required light. So what you want to do is, when you go here, when you put your key on, make sure you go 1, 2. Don't start it, but just like this, when all the dashes light goes off, when it's all on, then what you want to do is you have this button to switch it over. 1, 2, 3, and it says oil life 40%. So every time you reset it, it should go to 100%. So to reset it, just keep going till you see oil life. Once you have that, and then you press and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it's blinking now. I counted about 10. Once it starts blinking, let go, and then once you let go, press it again for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it goes to 100, and there you go, it's reset. And then that light that was right here, the wrench light, should go off as well. So when you go back, take the key out, and then if you either start or go here, and you go back to your, there you go, oil life reset 100%. That's how you reset the oil light maintenance required light. Once you change the oil, you should reset it like this. This will be it for this one. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll see if I can answer them. If I can't, maybe somebody else can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.